everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm gonna tell you how to generate a PDF with the help of a browser without installing a application. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you need to open a browser, then search online PDF generator. You can search online PDF converter as well. I'm searching about online PDF generator. And then on the first link where that is written online PDF converter -merge, compress and unlock PDF files, we will click on it, and then we will get an option of select files. For selecting the files, we'll click on select files option, and now I need to select files according to my choice, and to insert it I need to click on open. And then for choosing any another picture, so you need to click on browse and choose the another one, then again click on open. In the merge files, you'll get two files collectively on one set, and in the convert file separately you'll get two sets. They will be getting only one file. And in convert to, it's your wish, you need to convert it into Excel, PowerPoint, Word, in JPG, PNG, it's your wish. I'm going to select PDF, and now I'm going to click on convert. It will load, and then my projector is ready. As you can see, my PDF is ready. Thanks for watching my video. Please hit the like button and share my video. Comment below how was the video. Thank you.